What's good, guys? It's your boy Anthony here, back at it with another awesome video. In front of me, guys, is the one, the only, the iPhone XR. If you guys haven't seen the video of me being first in line to get this amazing piece of technology, right now, guys, we are first in line to go get the brand new iPhone XR. Go check it out. It's right up there in the icon down in the description. That was just super awesome, super fun. That was super cool. So go check that out. But here's the moment we have been all waiting for. I've been waiting for. We are going to unbox the iPhone XR. Let's go do this, guys. Alright, guys, so now is the moment we've all been waiting for. I'm gonna unbox the iPhone XR. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications because in a couple days or a week, I'll be reviewing the iPhone XR and seeing what I think of it and kind of how it's worked for me. Alright, guys, now for the exciting part. We're gonna pull a tab here. Oh my gosh, boys! Look at that! Look at that! Oh my gosh. Right here, guys, we have the brand new iPhone XR. Alright, guys, here we go. Oh my gosh. That's just the paperwork. Alright, guys, now we're gonna see the iPhone XR in person. Here we go. We're removing the paperwork designed by Apple in California. Oh my gosh. Guys, check this out. That blue is so vibrant already. Oh my gosh! The iPhone XR! Guys, check that! Check that out! That color is even more amazing in person. That is so cool. Oh my gosh. Alright, guys, now for the part that everyone loves. We're gonna take the plastic off the iPhone. This is just so cool. Here we go. Yes! There we go, guys. The iPhone XR. Included in the box, guys, we have just the standard stuff. We have the headphones. And one thing I didn't like that Apple did this year, it's dongle-less. There's literally no dongle for your headphones. Now Apple's pretty much making you switch to these headphones or buy a separate dongle, which is super frustrating. But yeah, we have the normal charging brick and the normal charging cable. I do wish Apple would include fast charging in here. I feel like that's kind of like an added expense. But yeah, I am stunned. I am blown away. This thing is the best iPhone I've ever seen. This color is amazing. I also know that Apple will actually be using a transparent case, so that way you can actually continue to see this vibrant color. That's super awesome. We'll be copping that as soon as it gets out. Oh my gosh. The iPhone XR is powering on! Wow. This is so exciting. Check that, guys. Check that out! Hello from Apple! Dude! Oh my gosh! Alright, guys, to pretty much just set up your iPhone, the easiest way to do it is actually hold your old iPhone close to your new iPhone. This makes it super easy. It's pretty much the quick start. So this pops up on your new iPhone and this is on your old iPhone. Asks you to set up your new iPhone using your current Apple ID. So pretty much just press continue. Now it's connecting. This makes it super easy. Boom! It just connected, boys. We're setting up the new iPhone. Just like that, we got the brand new iPhone XR all set up. This thing is amazing. Just looking at this. Let's try Face ID. Boom! Look at that. Just unlocks it. Let's try that again. I'm going to show you guys. Boom! It's so quick this year. It's so quick Face ID is this year. The main difference actually between this iPhone and the iPhone XS and XS Max is the screen resolution, which, as you guys all know, looking at it here, there is almost no difference. Like, the screen resolution on this is like pretty much exactly the same. I mean, yeah, there's gonna be a difference, but it's not that bad at all. So I feel like people are making a bigger deal of that than it really is. But yeah, I plan to be testing the screen resolution against a bunch of smartphones, including Android. And I'll be testing those out in the coming week. Some of the other differences are the side material is actually aluminum versus stainless steel, depending on which color you own. For me, that's actually not personally a big deal. I think stainless steel is actually super awesome to have, but I feel like having a blue aluminum really completes the effect of the entire iPhone. It has actually only one single camera on the back. It technically has 1 GB less of RAM, and it comes in 6 different colors. Oh my gosh, guys. That is a ton of different colors. I'll also be doing an extensive camera testing sometime within the next week as well. The most notable similarities between this iPhone and the iPhone XS and XS Max is the Powerful A12 Bionic chip. This is Apple's fastest and most powerful Bionic chip ever put into an iPhone. Also, even though the iPhone XR is a budget iPhone, it still sports the most secure way to unlock your iPhone, which is Face ID. This is Apple's coolest feature and the most secure way to keep your smartphone safe. In case you guys don't know what a Bionic chip is, it's actually the processor for your iPhone. Having the iPhone XR in person is so awesome. This is truly Apple's best budget iPhone and possibly Apple's best iPhone ever made, in my opinion. With so many great colors to choose from and a powerful, fast processor, I fully recommend this iPhone to anyone looking to upgrade their current iPhone or looking to purchase a brand new smartphone. Thank you guys so much for this video. I definitely say this is one of the coolest things I've done on the channel. You know, if you guys could really support me though and just drop a sub, turn on notifications, it really means a lot to me. I constantly put out content for you guys. I'm going to be doing videos with this pretty much every single day for the next week. So yeah, if you guys subscribe to those notifications, it means so much to me. It supports this channel. And yeah, thank you guys so much. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching this video. Until next time, peace!